Meron ako ditong i-harvest na first time ko lang na ma-encounter. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, broad beans. So first time ko na magtanim nito. Pwede mong ulamin itong beans. Mika, yang, bago pa. Kakaiba itong beans na ito kasi mataas siya, shrub type. Pick it yang, pag gusto mong i-steam. I-steam kasama itong kanyang skin. We'll harvest the broad beans, anak ko. Can you help mama?
Yeah. What is this, Mommy?
It's a purple cauliflower.
I like this. This is my favorite color.
Oh, that's your favorite. Like mama. Purple. Ang dami, oh. Excited na akong matikman tong broad bean kasi hindi ko pa alam ang lasa nito. Naghalo-halo na ang aming harvest.
Carrot.
Malagyan ko ng support ito later para nakatayo. We have a lot of harvest now, ah.